Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different, and I'm doing a try-on haul slash clothing review for Scrubletics, which is a new brand of scrubs that came out recently. And basically all the girls at my work have them, so I jumped on the bandwagon and I ordered just a few pair to see if I like them. And I mean, wait for the review, but so I've gone ahead and opened all of them up, and I'm just going to kind of go through them with you and show you the ones that I got, and I'll insert a little clip of me actually wearing them and some of the closer details of each shirt as we go. Okay, so first this is the brand, and I did get a size large because I'm a bigger girl. So not that large is even big, like let's be honest, like large is like the average size. Anytime you go to buy something, it's all sold out from the larges. So anyways, this is the first one. So it is like a chalk, I think it's called chalk pink, but it's just really nice. It's got a zipper. It does have 2 pockets down at the bottom, which if you're like a nurse or PSW or, you know, healthcare worker, you know how important the pockets are. So I'm just gonna insert a little clip here of me wearing it. It fits really well. Like my biggest problem is always having like bigger arms, so the t-shirts always seem like really tight on me, but this fits really nice. The zipper is it doesn't zip down really easily, like in the sense that like if you're walking around it's gonna zip down. The only issue is this shirt is severely see-through, so do not wear patterned bras under it, or maybe put like a cami under it so that it kind of hides a little bit more. But other than that, I really love this shirt. So I'm really happy with this, and I can't wait to wear them at work to see how they actually like hold up. So the next one that I got is literally the exact same but in gray, and I'm obsessed with this. It's such a nice gray. So again, it's got the zippers, it's got the pockets at the bottom, and so this is a clip of me wearing it. The pockets that are on it are actually a double pocket. There's a pen holder as well. That does, it's the same as the pink. The arms again fit amazing. I really love this color and how it looks on me. I can't wait to wear them all the time. So the next 2 that I got, I was actually really surprised about. So on the website it looks like a t-shirt, so I wasn't really expecting any like pockets or anything, but it's a t-shirt style, so that's super cute. It's kind of like a scoop, so at the bottom like it's longer in the middle and then shorter on the sides. And then I didn't realize this, but they added like some color. Sorry, I'm kind of like exposed, but they added some color along the sides. So obviously that's kind of cool. And then at the back, they have like it gathered, I don't know, just a little bit different. So I really like that. And then there's a cute little pocket at the top too. So this is what it looks like on. And I don't know, it's so comfy and cool, and all of these clothes are easily breathable, so they dry fast, they kind of like wick everything off, and I think the little touch of color in the corner is kind of cute. And then the next one I got is just black. So Scrubletics has like a bunch of variety of different scrub tops. They have patterns, they have like the classic style, like V-neck, pocket. I just wanted something different. I wanted just different scrubs that looked more like regular clothes. I don't know why, but I did. So this is the black, and the accent color of the black is like this really soft pink, and then again just the back's gathered as well. So I'll put a clip in of me wearing that now, and I really liked how this worked, or I really liked how this one looked too. Obviously everyone looks good in black, so yeah. And all of these shirts are just super comfy. So I'm excited to see with the hot summer, like the unit that I'm on gets really, really hot. So it usually is just like non-stop sweating. Anyways, I really hope you guys liked my try on and review of the Scrubletic scrubs. I know I have a lot of healthcare friends and subscribers and followers, so if you are on the fence about trying out these scrubs, I would do it. They're a little bit pricey. They do price range anywhere from $34.99 to $37.99, but in my opinion, it's an investment. Like, I've been buying crappy scrub tops from like Walmart and Giant Tiger and all these other places, and I just find that within a year they're falling apart or they have holes in them and just not staying well. So I mean, I will let you know, I guess, in a year's time how these shirts are still holding up, but as far as I'm concerned, I have a feeling I'll be replacing a lot of my wardrobe with these new ones, that's for sure. Anyways, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!